Hey all, Ashley here from Ashley Bright Crafts, and today I am unboxing the kits for Hip Kit Club. This is their February kits. They're a little bit delayed because there were some issues with shipment and some stuff got kind of caught in the mail due to some like weather issues and all that. But anyways, they're here now. So I thought we would unbox them and take a look at everything. So this is first the main kit, and there's lots of Pinkfresh Studio in this kit, and I absolutely love Pinkfresh Studio, so I'm super excited to be getting more of these enamel dots. I actually really love this color combination, and I've used up quite a bit of this already. I have a pack of these and I've used up a lot of those enamel dots. So yeah, then there's this flower ephemera pack with a lot of different floral pieces. If you've seen my Pinkfresh Studio unboxing, I received this collection already, and so you've already seen all of this. But yeah, it's great to get another pack of all these things. And I love these offsets. I love the powder blue color. It's so pretty, and they're so skinny. It's like, yeah, it's really pretty. And then there's also this collection, Hello Today from Simple Stories. And I haven't seen it before, but these are some of their chipboard pieces. Oh, that's really pretty. And then here are the papers. This one is called Love Connection. There's a lot of Valentine's theme. Again, it's supposed to, the kits were a little bit delayed, so I know it's past Valentine's Day, but hearts and pink things, I mean, that you can use all time of year. So here's another paper, Cross My Heart. Both of these two papers are Hip Kit Club exclusive papers. This is kind of similar to another paper that they made, but this is gray instead of coral. This is another Hip Kit Club exclusive, Yours Forever. This is like a stitch chart pattern, and then like a blue grid pattern on the back. This one is so pretty. Say with Flowers, Hip Kit Club exclusive paper again. Super pretty. Black and white floral, tiny little florals. I love this paper. Very pretty, and then like some big stripes in the back. I love this paper from Pinkfresh Studio. I've already made a couple projects with this paper, but I definitely think I will make another project with it. It's just so pretty. I love this color blue, this soft powder blue. So pretty. And then the back is like geometric dark blue shapes, and then there's Simple Stories cut apart sheet. Really cute. And then the back is really bold red polka dot. This is an Echo Park paper with some circles and hearts in here. I guess a lot of these collections use that powder blue color. And the back is really pretty. Kind of like a soft coral with little hearts on it, little stars on it. Really pretty. Look at that side. Another Echo Park paper with the rainbows. And on the back is a midnight blue version of the last paper. Another another Pinkfresh Studio Some Days paper. Little florals in the front, and then yellow numbers on the back. And then this is Pinkfresh Studio Some Days cut apart sheet. Little take out box there. It's pretty funny. So it'll keep this ticket. Really like that piece. Like this as well. These two are really pretty. Really pretty ticket. And then the back of this is really pretty grid pink paper with some floral clusters. So those are the papers. And that's the main kit. And then I'll show the corresponding cardstock papers really quickly. So we get 2 sheets of some stark white paper, some midnight blue paper, some really pretty vellum. I always love getting vellum, and really pretty mint color. Some craft paper, some really pretty, I'm pretty sure this is Tutu Pink We get this paper a lot. I love this. Love this one. Love this coral one too. And kind of like a deeper coral, reddish coral paper. So those are the cardstock papers. Pretty sure all those are basil papers. And then in the embellishment kit, we get some more simple stories. These are the frames. We got this, Simple Stories made these as well for their Cozy Days collection, I believe it's called. And yeah, I actually ended up using them, instead of for photos, I ended up using them to make shakers out of them and made little box packaging. But this time maybe I'll use it in a mini album. I have a couple mini album assignments coming up, so we will see. But yeah, lots of cute frames in this. And then this one is, actually let me show the other Simple Stories thing. So this is the other Simple Stories item, which are self-adhesive brads. So they don't have the actual, it's basically like stickers that look like brads. Really cute. And then the rest are Hip Kit Club exclusives. So there's some of these like clear sheets of pre-mixed media stickers that are like clear, so you can just stick it right on your project and it looks like you did some mixed media on it. And then the last three are die cut packs. So the first one is a bunch of phrases. I'll just flip through these real quick. So lots of phrases, all really pretty. You are everything. Hugs and kisses, some like standalone alphas as well. So lots of phrases to use as titles. And then all kind of mid-sized. And then there's these die cuts, which are like tag shapes, it looks like. And then, oh, this is cool. Kind of like grid heart pattern. Really cool. And I think these ones, like the purpose was to also add some mixed media to them too, if you wanted to. So there's like some of these, yeah, kind of cool, like cut aparts already. Like die cuts. Big heart. February. And then some tags, some basic tags. Gotten these in kits before. So this is the tags. And then last one is this one. These are like more like images. So there's like a little Polaroid frame. I can see that already. Oh snap. These are all the images in here. Little mailbox, really cute keys, hearts. Do them a little bit so you can see. Oh, how cute. A little notebook. Some hearts. A little bike. Cute. Little bird holding an envelope. Oh, that's really cute. Some really cute images in here. So teacup, some rainbows. Yeah, lots of really cute little images. I really like this image too. Mail. Little heart key. Very cute. So that's everything in the 3 ephemera packs. Let me make some space. Okay, and then there's the, so that's the embellishment kit. And let me show the pocket life kit. So again, some more Simple Stories. This is their puffy stickers. Very cute, little Polaroid there. Little safety pin or clothespin. Cute. Some clear stickers, some phrases, and some florals. Some hearts that can be used on everything. and these two are Hip Kit Club exclusive. This is also Hip Kit Club exclusive stickers. Really cool. All of the typewriter too. And then some Days mini alphas. I love getting these little mini alphas. They're so cute, and I like how they're multicolored. And then some cardstock stickers as well. Really easy to use, basic kind of shapes. Tags and tickets and things. And then the pocket life cards. So I won't flip through everything, but I'll kind of show some of these here so you can get an idea. And yeah, that is everything for this month's kits for February. I probably, well, probably not for a while. It'll still be a couple weeks away before I show the March kits, but they won't be too far off. So once I get those, I will share those. I also will probably upload at the same time my the new Doodlebug collection that I just received, and yeah, so look out for that as well. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.